You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we currently have the Cricut Create Challenge going on, which is awesome because one member of our own Facebook group, Cricut Design Space, is going to win a Joy Xtra Bundle. So I wanted to show you real quick how to take the image that we have and make it your own, and also how you share your design to make it public, which is needed to do to enter the giveaway. So first we're going to go ahead and take our image. Now this image is specific to our group only. We chose this image. So you're going to go into the images and you're going to search hashtag M4EF39629. Now make sure you include the hashtag and you also have no spaces in there. Hit enter. And this is the image here. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our canvas. Now when you bring it into Design Space, you can see this is all one grouping here, but you don't have to use the whole image. You can use any part of this, from the peppermints to the gingerbread. That's why I really like this image, because you could take and break it apart and make it however you wanted. So what I want to use from this is I want to use a gingerbread. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup, click off of it, and then when we click back, we can pull the separate layers. So this is all one layer here. You can't ungroup or anything here, right? So what we have to do here is contour. So once we're clicked on there, I want this first little gingerbread here. I'm going to hit contour, hit hide all contours. And even though we hit hide all contours, it's always going to show one, which happens to be the one I want. So that's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now, if it had a different one selected I didn't want, I could unselect it, but you would have to select another one first. Say I want this gingerbread. Now that this one's selected, I can unselect this one, but you can't unselect the other one until you have another one chosen. So now we have our gingerbread. Now let's go ahead and get his red and green dot. So we're going to click on the red, and we realize we want the first red circle over from the peppermint. So we'll hit contour. So hit hide all contours. Now I don't need this piece here, but as I said, I'm trying to click on it. You can't click it off until you have another one. So this is the one here I need, so I will click that. And I'm going to click that one off. We have just our red dot for our gingerbread, which is perfect. Now let's do the same thing to the green. Hit contour, and then again hit hide all contours, and it's giving me the first one, which is perfect. So there our gingerbread has his red and his green. And then we also have the white. So if I send this gingerbread, send him to the back, you can see we have his eyes here. So you can do the same thing for the eyes. You can contour out if you like. Hide all. And then we're going to select these two. We can unselect that. And then we have our white eyes here. Now what I did with these, I put it on a white background. So I just selected the eyes, selected the gingerbread, and then hit subtract. And then it cut his eyes out, which is another option. You can do that also. Now, if you'd like to use multiple pieces of the image, I suggest breaking it down one at a time. So here is the card I made with mine. So I took this and I cut out, I offset each one of these to make it a little bigger, and then I cut out. And in my card, I used the green glitter cardstock because, you know, I love some sparkle. And then I also did glitter cardstock for here. I used some foil poster board for the silver behind. And then I used iron-on for the rest of mine, and I just used my mini press. That way I just laid this down and had all the dots in the perfect place, which is awesome. Let me show you how to share it in Design Space to make it public, because that is another step of entering the contest. So you're going to hit the share button, and then as you see here, it says add photos of your project. So to share your project publicly, you now have to have at least one photo. So you can go ahead and hit add photos. And I'm just going to browse my photos. Gingerbread Joy card. And there we go. It's always going to crop it to a square one, but once you get it how you want it, you can hit edit photo if you like and drag it around and then hit apply. And once you have it like you like it, go ahead, give it a description here also. And then you can also tag it too so people can easily find it. So I would go ahead and put in here tag for Christmas, gingerbread. Click that. You could put joy, since we have joy on it. And choose joy. And then just go ahead and give it a little description here. I like to say what materials I used in mine also, so they can know. And then go ahead and hit save. And now you can go ahead and hit the share button. And right here is where you're going to choose share to design space. Now, if you want to share your design with somebody else, but you don't want to make it public on Design Space, you could also choose copy private link. This will give you the link that you can send to somebody so they can open it also. So we can hit share to Design Space. It gives us some confetti, and now it is all saved to Design Space. And then when you need that link, you can just hit copy link. So for this challenge, all you have to do is create the card using the image. Then you're going to make sure you add the photo, make it public in Design Space, and then post it in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. And add the hashtag Cricut Create Challenge 23, and that is it. And one member of our Cricut Design Space group is going to win the Joy Xtra Bundle for doing so. So good luck to everyone. If anybody has any questions, please let us know. But I hope this little video helps you understand how to do it, and we can't wait to see the rest of the entries. This is open until midnight on November 12th. So make sure and enter before then. We can't wait to see all the entries. Some are coming in now, and I just love to see what all people make using the same image. And we would like to send our gratitude and our thanks, our gazillion thanks to you guys, our awesome supporters and our amazing admin team and to Cricut. We thank you all and happy holidays, everyone. So good luck, everyone, and happy crafting. Bye.